In this video, I will show you how to send Solana from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So let's start off from our Trust Wallet app. And in here we're going to click on Receive. And in here you need to select Solana. So let's go ahead and click on the search bar, enter Solana and click on Solana. In here we have our wallet address, so go ahead and copy this. And now we can go to our Coinbase app to paste this in. So from our Coinbase app, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right, click on Send Crypto, paste in the wallet address from Trust Wallet and click on the wallet section just below that. Select Solana and enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. And I'm just going to transfer everything, so I'm going to click on Max, click on Preview. Due to EU regulations, you need to fill in where you are sending your Solana. So if you are not from the EU, you can already go ahead and click on Send Now. And if you are from the EU, then follow these steps. So for Trust Wallet, we're going to click on Self-Custody Wallet. And in here, you're going to click on the box Sending to Myself if you are. And if you're not sending to yourself, fill in your recipient's full name and your recipient's country of residence. And after, click on Continue. To make your transfer final, you need to click on Send Now at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, we have successfully sent our Solana from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So let's go ahead and click on Done. And in here we can see that our Solana is pending. So let's go over to our Trust Wallet to see if the transfer is complete. So in my Trust Wallet app, I can already see that my balance has increased. So let's click on Solana for the details. And as you can see, we have received the amounts of Solana that we transferred. So that is how you send Solana from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.